Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. For those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading pick a card videos on different topics and also your weekly, monthly love prediction, career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Capricorn, sun, moon and rising sign. We're gonna look through tarot cards which will clear us out with your present, past and future situation, and we'll end up with video pulling some cards for advice using the oracle cards. Okay, this video is going to be for Capricorn. This is going to be a general video. It might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate, then please consider subscribing my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos on my channel. So we're gonna take a look at your past, present and future situation for Capricorn. In the recent past, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Two of Wands. In the present, we have High Priestess, Queen of Swords, the Chariot card. In the future, we have King of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Two of Cups. The challenge for the week is the Eight of Pentacles. So the challenge for the week is Capricorn people, you have to work on this new situation, new soulmate coming your way this week. So you have to work on this connection. You really have to work it very practically. You don't know about the result, don't care about the result. You don't know what might happen in the future, so just don't care about the future. Just you have to take an action towards this connection or towards this opportunity which is coming your way this week. You have to make an action. Just don't give up, just don't stay silent. You have to make some sort of actions. That's the challenge for the week. We're gonna see why you have to make an action towards what. We're gonna look at it. In the past, we had Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Two of Wands. I see that someone came your way in the recent past offering you love, for an emotional connection, to be with you, to have a serious connection with you. But I see there was no decision made towards this connection. You didn't take any serious decision. Many of you are feeling some of you are feeling the loss of the connection, loss of that person, loss of that opportunity, loss of that new emotional attachment. Why are you feeling the loss in the past? Why did you feel? We're gonna clarify what happened to that new opportunity, new offer. In the present moment, we have the High Priestess, the Chariot, the Queen of Swords. I see some of you guys are using your intuition in order to make some sort of action. You're taking a big decision towards some sort of connection. You're just making a very big action. You're just taking a very big action. For some of you, you just want a connection very badly. You just want to get this person or get this opportunity very badly. So in the present moment, I see you guys are just rushing, like you want this. You're taking so much of actions. You're just using your power in order to get that opportunity, in order to get there. So we're gonna clarify what it's all about. What are you rushing? What are you taking action about? What are you thinking a lot, using your intuition a lot? I'm going to clarify it. In the future, we have the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands, the Two of Cups. There's the opportunity of new love or something, some relationship coming your way, which is like giving you a lot of potential, lot of stability. The deep relationship is coming on the horizon for the Capricorn people. I see many of you guys are working towards this connection. You just want this very badly. You just want this person very badly. I see many of you are some of you might think this connection is like a burden that I have to make. Burden for some of you, just this, you feel you have to put a lot of effort in this connection. For some of you are being cold in the future, being distant, like being just making right decision towards some situations in the future. We're going to clarify why you're feeling so burdened about this connection and why are you cutting off something in the future, the King of Swords. We're going to clarify it. In the past, we are going to clarify the Five of Pentacles. Why are you feeling loss. Why are you keeping this new opportunity, new offer, new emotional connections stagnant position? You are not taking any decision towards this connection. We're gonna clarify the Five of Pentacles, sorry. Five of Pentacles. Okay. The Five of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Okay. Many of you know there is lot of potential in this connection. There is someone offering you a strong emotional connection, emotional bonding. This person wants to be with you. They just very sure, very confident about their feelings, because you maybe you don't know, many of you don't know what the action should I take in regarding this connection. Maybe you're waiting for something else. Some of you are not ready to take this connection into your life because you are still waiting for someone in your life. You are expecting someone else, expecting someone being more powerful, okay, expecting someone else in your life. So you are just not gonna take this action, or you are just not gonna give them green signal, or it's like keeping them feeling confused, or you might be expecting something else in this connection that person is not offering you. For some of you, I feel your ex is coming back. Ex made a present in the recent past. You ended up being cold to this person. Okay, that might be the situation. You just didn't respond to them, but still you just neglected this person, ended up being sad. You both are feeling sad. Okay, you know there is a lot of potential in this connection. Somewhere you still have feeling for this person, but still you in the past you are being cold to this person. Okay, in the present moment we see that you are rushing towards something. You just want that some connection. You just want it. You just want to get someone. You just want to get some connection. I see that you guys are rushing. You guys are thinking so much about this connection. You guys are taking action, very quick action towards something. We're gonna clarify the Chariot card. Why are you rushing or going too fast? Behind what are you going in the present moment? The Chariot card. Chariot is clarified by the Knight of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Hangman. There was some sort of situation in the present. There's some sort of situation that will end up you thinking a lot about it. You don't know what the next move you have to make. Maybe there was some situation in the past, ended up being like thinking about this connection a lot. You didn't make any sort of action in the past, but now you're like, you want this connection very badly. You were hoping for this you're just hoping this connection could come back your way. You're just rushing into them because you don't want to be in this Hangman position. You have been thinking about this connection a lot, about this person a lot. You're like giving it an end. Just you don't want still more confusion about this connection. You are like rushing. I see that you are rushing into this connection very quickly, very fastly. You're gonna take some action towards this connection in the present moment. We're gonna clarify the Queen of Swords. What is that action you are gonna take in the present moment? What are you being quick in the present moment? Queen of Swords is clarified by the World, the Six of Cups, the Temperance card. I feel many of you wants to just end this connection and start something new. It could be with the same person. I feel very badly your ex have come your way in the present situation. Something from past is like coming back in the present. Like maybe that person is again making an presence here. Something from past is making you to take some sort of action towards this connection. You just want to end this situation, or you just want to start up with this person again. Okay, that is why you are kind of weighing what might happen. You're just thinking a lot about this connection. I see that you are rushing into this connection and starting a fresh start, giving it a fresh start. Okay, ending all those conflicts and giving it a fresh start. Maybe for some of you it's like you're ending this connection and giving your life a fresh start. You're just coming out of this hanged man position. In the present moment, I see that you're taking some sort of action that you will get clear about this connection. There will be all confusion will be faded up in the present situation. Okay, in the future, I see you are being cold to something, because there's a soulmate connection coming your way in the future. There is a soulmate deep connection is going to be there in the future, but I see you are just feeling burdened about this connection. Like, if I accept it, I might have to go through a lot of work. There might be some situation that I have to take a lot of burden. I have to work a lot towards this connection. We're going to clarify the 10 of Wands. Why are you feeling so burdened about this connection in the future? The 10 of Wands is clarified by the 10 of Cups. It's a family card. The 8 of Wands. The Judgment card. Okay, for many of you, I feel like your ex have come your way and offering you love, emotional connection again in the future. You know already how it feels being with this person, because 10 of Cups, you had been together with this person. You were spending a lot of time. There was a lot of sharings going on with this person, but you are taking a quick decision. You are giving it a final judgment to this connection. I see that you're working a lot towards, in order to make some sort of very good decision towards this connection. You know, this connection is very, there's a lot stiffness, like there's a lot of strength in this connection. Your happiness lies in this connection. So I feel you are gonna communicate in the future with this person. You're gonna make some sort of decision. Okay, that is the judgment. Like, you're coming to the final judgment towards this situation, so towards this connection in the future. But I see that you are not making this decision using your heart. Like, you're not taking any emotional decision, but you're just using your using your brain and taking some sort of decision. If it also means cutting off this person from your life, or you're just taking a fast, quick decision towards this connection, I see that in the future. That's what I see. That's the challenge for the week. You're working towards this connection. No matter what, you're working towards this connection. You have to work very hard, like, in order to know something, in order to make a decision, in order to come out of this hangman position. I see that you're working towards, just you want to get clarity about this connection. You're working towards it in this week. That's the challenge for the week. We're gonna look at the oracle cards, some advice for you, Capricorn people. Let's see what oracle cards have for us. New moon in Taurus, prosperity lies ahead. So whatever your decision you're gonna make regarding this connection, you don't have to worry much about this. You know what you want. You're going to make right decision. So whatever the decision you're gonna make, that is not gonna hit you very badly, because I feel like for many of you, ex have come your way. You already have moved on, but still they're making their presence again for some of you. So it is not going to hit you this time. This time you'll be strong enough to take any sort of decision. That's all I have for the Capricorn people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and take care till my next video. I shall see you all. Bye bye.